So this week we have a ton of different engagement opportunities taking place across the United States. We're doing things like packing meals that will benefit our local communities for anyone who's experiencing food insecurity. We're building STEM kits that will then be donated to children in foster care. One of the stories that was most impactful to me personally, in Charleston, our partners there were able to pack hygiene kits for service members that are being donated through Soldiers Angels. And during the time that they were able to spend together, they actually shared stories about how their family members have been in the military or if they were former service members and what that was like for them and how that experience has impacted their lives.
This week has been so meaningful, just to see all of our partners come together, to see how excited all of our partners are about participating in new activities, coming together in new ways. And so I think it's been really just impactful to see how community means the ways that we're connecting to one another, just as much as it means how we're connecting to the greater communities at large where CGI has a presence.
Every day we are honored to be able to support our local community partners, and they tell us that the benefit to them is that they actually get to donate these supplies to the students and the families that they serve without it being a burden to them. And so we're always really excited that we're able to come together, spend time together as a team, and benefit those in our communities that are our neighbors, our friends, and even our families.